Hello students, in this video we will talk about calorimetry. Calorimetry. Calorimetry means measurement of heat, measurement of heat when a body at higher temperature, when a body at higher temperature, when a body at higher temperature is brought in contact, is brought in contact with a body at lower temperature and lower temperature and heat loss by body at higher temperature, heat loss by body at higher temperature is equal to the heat gain by body at lower temperature. Heat gain by body at lower temperature, provided that there is no any escape of heat to the surrounding. एक बार मैं फिर समझा देता हूं आपको. कैलोरीमेट्री इज द measurement of heat transfer when body at a higher temperature is brought in contact with a body at lower temperature and provided that there is no escape of heat to the surrounding. ठीक है. And what is calorimeter? What is calorimeter? Calorimeter is a device which measure this transfer of heat. जो इस ट्रांसफर ऑफ हीट को जो मेजर करती है बॉडी, उसको कहते हैं कैलोरीमीटर. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट change of state. Change of state. Change of state means change in physical state of a body. That is change from solid to liquid, which is called melting. change from liquid to gas, which is called vaporization. Which is called vaporization, and change from solid to gas, which is called sublimation. Sublimation. All these processes are called change of state. ठीक है. When a body changes from solid to liquid, this happen at a specific temperature. And this specific temperature for that substance is called its melting point. ठीक है. जिस टेम्परेचर पर कोई सॉलिड सब्सटेंस कन्वर्ट हो जाता है किसमें, लिक्विड में, इज कॉल्ड इट्स मेल्टिंग पॉइंट. एंड सिमिलरली बॉइलिंग पॉइंट is a temperature at which a substance starts boiling and quickly begin to change its state from liquid to vapor. Okay students, this was some topics. There were some topics about change in state of a substance. Okay, watch the video carefully and learn all these topics. Thank you.